This is Beyonce and Abby playing who can tug the other one's collar. See how nicely they play? Yes, play with me. So I saw a squirrel. Beyonce. Hi, pretty girl. Hi. Beyonce. Hi, Beyonce. Are you a pretty girl? Who's got the big mug? Who's got the big mug? Huh? Oh, no, you guys can't go in there. Beyonce. 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 Hi. Hi, look up, look up, look up. Good girl.